Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It is Tuesday, February 2nd, so happy February. It's about 6 in the morning. I'm eating breakfast, and then I'm going to go lift, and then I have class at 8.
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees, and now that I'm without your kisses.
I actually wanted to vlog today because we're supposed to get a huge blizzard here in Wisconsin. We're supposed to get like 12 inches, and like the talk on campus has been, is class going to be canceled? Is class going to be canceled? And half the population's like, yes, class is going to be canceled, and the other half of the population is like, no, we never have class canceled, so don't even get your hopes up. So I'm walking to campus, and I don't know how good the lighting is because I'm using my Snapchat like lights. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I have headphones in and I'm walking on campus, walking to campus, like walking home, I am literally listening to Drake or Fetty Wap Pandora. Yeah, pretty thug. I got baking soda. The real BBs only. Boss bitches only. Rich N-words only. Independent people only. walking out of class like. I was outside for 3 minutes. This is my scarf. It's coming. Winter and the snow are coming. Look at my head. I didn't even notice. This is so funny. Kind of look like Storm from X-Men. So it looks like I'm sweating a lot because my head is so wet, but I'm not sweating. This is actually really funny. But I just checked my email and the chancellor emailed us saying classes after 12:30 are all canceled. Pretty exciting. It's like a 3/4 of a half day. I'm pumped. My head is literally dripping. This is disgusting. I'm on the second floor of Cartwright. Snow from the sky is still falling. Still falling. Drea's showing me a pump.
This is a pump. This part goes on your boob. And then this goes like this. And then there's a tube that hooks up to a battery thing. And then it goes.
Does it go in that? Where's the bag?
What do you mean? The bag.
Oh, there isn't a bag.
This is where the milk falls into.
Oh, wow. Pear and I are at Iguanas. Go figure, I'm at Iguanas for like the 4th time this week. It's so sad.
It is snowstorm.
It is snowstorm. Look, update on the outside. That green is not real, by the way. But I got this wine slushy. And a winerita. And Dre got a mango soda. Snow update. Someone just went into a ditch. Now he's driving out of said ditch. Safe and sound.
They're like super loud.
You can continue talking. This is just a work of art. Jordan's laughing at me. She thinks I'm so weird.
No, it's because you went.
What did you get, Drea?
An iguana changa. That's what it's called. It's like a chimichanga.
It looks super good.
And salad and a rice.
What dressing is that?
Sour cream and guac.
Wait, what?
Oh, and this is cheese.
It doesn't look deep fried.
It's deliciousness.
It looks delicious.
No, I have to stick with this beautiful thing.
Oh. Dude, so I get this burrito all the time, right? And a couple weeks ago they started putting this weird salsa in it that I don't really like.
Why didn't you get it without it?
I don't know because I always forget, but the salsa is kind of like, I don't know, it's like limey. Taking the bus home. Heck yes. Just got off the bus, treading through this for the next 2.5 blocks, then I'm home. Do you guys want to hear the most ironic thing ever about this snow? Is that this morning when I was about to leave to go lift, I totally knew this blizzard was coming, right? And so I thought about wearing my boots, and so I went outside, and it was pretty warm outside, and I was like, it's probably, woo! Oh, I just fell. Okay, well, oh my god. I was like, it's probably not gonna snow today because it's really nice outside. I'll just wear my tennis shoes. It's snowing. It's everywhere. We've been plagued. So yeah, where's the curb? Where's the sidewalk? You don't really know. So that's what's happening with my life right now. So excited to go home. I'm gonna make some tea. I'm gonna lay around, edit this vlog, maybe do some homework, take a nap. The possibilities are endless. Well, remember how last time I vlogged was Tuesday. I told you guys that every Tuesday I have a meeting. So today, Jaria, my cab advisor, who you guys saw, and I canceled the meeting. So I was like, heck yeah, because there was no way I was gonna trek through more snow at 4 to come back to flipping campus. Found a path. There is a God. Bless your soul, whoever did this. You are amazing. Look at that snow pile, guys. It's crazy. I need to film this dog because he is so cute.
So he was running before, like, did you guys see him trip him? He like slipped. No. He was like trying to jump into one of the snowplows over and just like ate it. And he's so cute. He's so cute. Hi.
So some of you might have noticed that my face is kind of pink. I would like to call this the Asian flush. Every time I have any amount of alcohol, my face gets super, like, it gets, like, really, it looks like I'm blushing for, like, the whole time. And I'm kind of buzzed a little after, like, the wine thing. It kind of just tasted like a limerita or a strawberryta, if you ever had those, but just a little different. And so Andrea was joking, Tram's taking the drunk bus at 12 o'clock. Because during the weekend, we have a bus that circulates around, like, downtown and then, like, in between college campuses so that people don't have to walk home while they're drunk. And we call it a drunk bus. And it's really funny because I'm kind of intoxicated and I just took the bus and it's, like, during the day, so.
So I'm just laying in bed with my piles and piles of blankets and eating apples with sugar-free caramel.
I have a mask on, so that's why I probably look a little off, more off than usual. I don't think I will be doing anything today. Probably just some homework and eating, and I might even take a nap. And please subscribe if you haven't. We recently, Tube family and I, we recently just hit more than 360 subscribers. Super pumped about it. Closer to 500. So excited. Thank you all for the support and not thinking that I'm a super weirdo, even though I am.
Fighting from computer trenches.